So, which bike should you pick? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a bike primarily for daily commutes and long rides, but still want it to be capable and decent for occasional track days, then the GSX would be a better choice. It features an upright riding position, a larger tank, and more available riding aids that are useful for street riding. If you're after a more sportier ride, like a weekend bike for hitting the track that you might take out on the streets every now and then the R7 could be a better pick. It boasts superior suspension with more adjustability, aggressive riding position, race-focused geometry, and a more compact size that makes the R7 feel very nimble and agile, especially when carving through corners on the track.